Second video of the series, 16th of March 2021. I've identified how the market is going to travel within the first 5 minutes of the market. Apart from that, I'll be marking two support zones above the opening point of the market now. And there is already a resistance level which was marked yesterday, so watch how the market reacts to these levels. And after that, I'll be marking an yellow line, which was my primary target for that day, the market. If you had watched the previous video, you would know that I'm expecting the market to crash and reach the major expected resistance zone, which is marked below. If we travel back in time and you ask me a question when I started trading, what I would have done if the market is going to break one of the support levels, if the market is going to break upside, I would have said I'm going to take a buy position. But watch what I'm doing right now. Once it breaks this level, I'm placing something called as a sell zone, which means I'm expecting the market to come there and move in the opposite direction. Even though the market is looking very bullish, I'm working the major trend, which is the downtrend. I want you guys to follow this when you start trading. I want you guys to identify the major trend. I want you guys to take positions based on the major trend and not to take positions against the major trend. And I've also explained something called as a safe profit zone in the last video. I will explain it again. It is booking profits at known resistance or support levels. I've marked the safe profit zone for this particular day as well. And watch what I'm going to do next. I'm going to mark a particular line in blue color. This line is going to be of importance for this particular day. Learning to adapt to the market and understanding market is something you will learn once you start trading and you start spending time in the market. Now from this point on, I want you to watch the market very carefully, because there are a lot of things that can be learned from this particular section. If you had asked me when I started trading, this particular candle would have made me change the direction in which I was trading. I would have closed my selling position and I would have entered a buy position. But after a lot of time in the market, watch what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to mark a blue arrow, which means I'm expecting the market to go down still. The market is going to reach either the blue or yellow or even go further from here on. I want you to watch and learn what is going to happen hereafter. In the last video, we saw something called as patterns for beginners and how important patterns can be, or how simple patterns can be. In this video, I'm going to show you the importance of support and resistance zones. I've marked a few support and resistance zones. I want you guys to watch very carefully on how the market reacts to these particular zones after this point of time. Again, there was erratic movement in the market. The market went up and reached one of the support zones, and it came down heavily, and it is going to reach almost the blue line. As soon as it reaches the blue line, I'll be typing something called as good exit zone or position sizing. Good exit zones are zones where you can close your positions and be satisfied with the profits you make. Or if you're good at trading, you can reduce your position size. If you have more than one lot, you can exit part of your position and carry the profit and let the other part of your position run with the profit. Now watch what happens immediately after it reaches the blue line. The market travels in the complete opposite direction. These are the zones which you have to identify when you're very good at trading. With good training and experience in the share market, you will be able to identify clues which are available in the market to identify how the market is going to react. I am still expecting the market to reach the primary target which I placed with the yellow line at the start of the day. If it breaks the blue line, I'm still expecting that to happen. This is a typical video which will make people who are new to trading, new to share market, or fundamental analysts or fundamental traders go crazy, looking at how the market is reacting to imaginary lines being drawn in the market. Right now, I'm also going to change my position on what is going to happen in the market next. I'm not going to wait for the market to break down and reach the yellow level. I'm going to move it to possibly tomorrow. So I'm expecting the market to reach that level tomorrow. I want you guys to also see this, how the market is going to finish exactly at the blue line. And I'll see you guys in the next video.